Dusted up.
Fuck yeah.
Hopefully the hen. Oh, shoot the green head again. Beautiful mallard drake. Get over here, big boy. Two dead ones. Hopefully we can find a third one down here. She looks pretty dead. Oh, there it is. Sweet. Yeah, nice mallard hen. We're 3 for 3, boys. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And my decoys are all floating still, so that's good. Two coming straight in.
Scented that their buddies were killed here earlier.
They went over the top of the blind and they said, ah.
They saw true, they saw 4 ducks laid out.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
This ain't right. Just talking. What's up, guys? Oakley here. Pro staff have been the blind. Today we have 4 ducks, which is pretty good. Cole has his limit on black ducks. Ethan, well, we all kind of open fired on the 2 that were on the water, but Ethan put the hammer on the greenhead, and yeah, my gun's been jamming, so this is the last hunt you'll ever see with me using the TriStar. And now I'm gonna pass the phone to Cole, Black Duck Sawyer.
Remington 680 pump, best shotgun in the world. Oakley's TriStar is a junker. It's a year 2 gun and it's all worn out. This gun's 50 years old, still hammering them. Having a good morning, beautiful day. Hoping some more ducks come in. End of the day, Ethan's picking up decoys. Just had about 5,000 on the water. Chill out. Missed them.
Oh, we're picking up from a good day hunting, and we decided to come downriver a little bit. One of the spots we went a few weeks ago. And Cole, who was leading the way, just bagged 2 more ducks. So we got 6 total on the day. What'd you get?
Merg. Double hooded mergs, 1 shot. Drake. Beautiful bird.
That's funny.
Yeah. Okay, you should give me a shotgun.
2 birds with 1 shot, ending the day on a high note. That is a beautiful duck, even though it's a merganser. That's pretty.
God, yeah.